Ain't true, bet that up for the track. You gonna take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Hey everyone! Discover 15 innovative car gadgets available on Amazon that can revolutionize your driving experience. From high-tech tire inflators and phone holders to advanced cleaning tools and emergency essentials, these gadgets are designed to enhance comfort, safety, and convenience on the road. With user-friendly features and practical designs, these must-have accessories will simplify your daily driving routine and make car maintenance a breeze. So, let's get started. Number 15 is Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Now available for around $14 with a 35% discount, the Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool is an essential addition to your car cleaning kit. This tool features an extendable handle that disassembles for easy storage and comes with 4 upgraded microfiber pads, a 60 ml spray bottle, and a storage bag. The high-density microfiber pads offer improved durability and flexibility, preventing streaks and stains. With a 180-degree rotating head, it easily reaches hard-to-access areas behind dashboards. Ideal for cleaning fog, moisture, and dirt on your car's windshield, as well as on glass screens and mirrors in your home. Perfect for all vehicle types, this tool ensures a clean, streak-free finish every time. The next is Number 14. Inflatable Car Cover Bubble, the ultimate protection for your car. The inflatable car cover bubble offers top-notch protection for your car, keeping it safe, dry, and clean. Its continuous filtered airflow prevents condensation, which is the primary threat when storing vehicles, by maintaining a stable environment. The strong 0.60mm PVC pillars and clear 0.35mm PVC panels safeguard against scratches, dents, and rodents. Featuring a whisper-quiet German-engineered fan and a sturdy, washable PVC floor, this cover allows for easy drive-in and drive-out access. The 800W air pump inflates the cover in less than 5 minutes, and the integrated control unit maintains optimal air pressure automatically. The next is Number 13. 70mm 4K Omni Dash Cam for your cars. Now available for $306 with a 23% discount, the 70mm 4K Omni Dash Cam offers superior performance for your car security. This 4K dash cam records in 3840 multiplied by 2160p resolution at 60 fps, ensuring smooth, high-quality footage. The 146 degrees wide-angle lens and 340 degrees rotation provide 360 degrees coverage, minimizing blind spots even in low light. Equipped with 4G LTE and 24/7 parking monitoring, it sends real-time alerts while distinguishing between people, cars, and animals. The Starvis 2 Night Vision ensures clear footage in low light conditions, and Wi-Fi 6 allows fast 4K video transfers. With accurate GPS tracking and speed monitoring, this dashcam guarantees top-tier security for all vehicles, day or night. The next is Number 12. Steering Wheel Lock, the ultimate protection for your car. Available now for $249, the steering wheel lock offers the strongest immobilization for your vehicle. Its patented design spins during an attack, preventing steering and protecting your airbag, while also deterring keyless entry theft. This device fits most cars with steering wheels between 13.7 inches and 15.3 inches in diameter. It comes with 3 keys, an official disc lock window sticker, and ensures peace of mind for your vehicle's safety. Additionally, the lock is backed by a 3-year mechanical warranty, providing long-term reliability. Don't compromise on security. Get this high-quality steering wheel immobilizer today to protect your car from theft. The next is Number 11. Comsun AUX Bluetooth Adapter for Car. This Bluetooth adapter is now available for around $16 with a 23% discount. This device features a convenient LED screen that displays real-time power and volume levels, keeping you informed. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, it offers faster, more stable connections and improved sound quality. The built-in microphone and CVC80 noise reduction ensure clear hands-free calls. With up to 12 hours of playback and a fast 2-hour charge time, this adapter supports continuous use while charging. Easy to set up, simply plug it into your car's AUX input, pair it with your phone, and enjoy music and calls. It also connects to two devices simultaneously, providing seamless audio switching. The next is number 10. Astro AIL-7 Portable Tire Inflator. The Astro AIL-7 Portable Tire Inflator is now available for around $19 with a 50% discount. This compact and efficient air compressor features an advanced true gauge screen, delivering accurate readings with a data rate 60% higher than the market average, ensuring safe driving. It offers 4+N smart modes for car, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, and custom inflation, with 4 pressure units to choose from. With a 150 psi maximum pressure and 17 liters per minute airflow, it inflates tires 2x faster, refilling a 195 65R15 tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes. The built-in 4000 mAh battery allows up to 8 tire inflations on a full charge. It also features an auto-off function for hands-free use. This versatile tool includes a flashlight with 3 modes, USB-C, and USB ports for emergency power, making it an essential multi-purpose device for any traveler. The next is number 9. Astro AI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. This tire pressure gauge is now available for around $7 with a 38% discount. This expert-grade tool is calibrated using professional-grade equipment, delivering quick and accurate measurements within 1 psi for reliable results. Its illuminated nozzle and backlit LCD screen make it easy to use in dimly lit environments, ensuring you can find the valve stem and get precise readings. The gauge offers 4 pressure units, PSI, bar, KGF/CN, and KPA, easily switchable with the press of a button. Its ergonomic, compact design provides a comfortable grip and easy storage. The power-saving feature automatically shuts off after 30 seconds to extend battery life. It comes with 3 LR44 alkaline batteries for immediate use. Plus, the included Presta to Schrader adapter ensures compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, including bicycles, motorcycles, sedans, and trucks, making it a versatile and convenient tool for any driver. The next is number 8. Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel, now priced around $7 with an 11% discount, is the perfect tool for car detailing. This versatile gel is designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your car, such as air vents, steering wheels, cup holders, dashboards, and door handles. It's an essential cleaning supply for both men and women, making car maintenance easy and efficient. Simply press the cleaning gel into cracks, and it picks up dust and debris. The gel is made from natural materials and has a pleasant lavender scent, ensuring it's safe for your car's surfaces. It's reusable, allowing multiple uses until it turns black. After use, store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. Not only for cars, but this cleaning gel can also be used on electronics like keyboards, laptops, and TV remotes, making it a great tool for both home and office cleaning. The next is number 7. Vacuum Magnetic Phone Holders. This phone holder is now available for around $22, offering a 15% discount. Designed for iPhones with MagSafe, iPhone 12 to 17, and Android phones, Samsung, Google, Motorola, OnePlus, it includes a magnetic ring for non-MagSafe devices. The holder attaches securely to dashboards, windshields, mirrors, and screens, making it ideal for driving, workouts, or cooking. With 22 and 52 neodymium magnets, it delivers a powerful suction of up to 2,200 GF, ensuring a stable hold in extreme conditions. The included nano gel pad and PC pad offer reusable or permanent installation options for versatile use. The next is number 6. Hodo Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This car vacuum cleaner, priced around $129, offers powerful cleaning with a 225 watts brushless motor, delivering up to 23,000 pascals of suction. Featuring 3 suction levels, it efficiently handles quick touch-ups or deeper cleans. Its dual functionality allows for vacuuming and blowing, making it versatile for car vents, air mattresses, and outdoor use. The vacuum includes 4 specialized attachments for tight spaces, desks, and hard-to-reach areas. Weighing only 2.09 pounds, it's easy to use with one hand. A quadruple filtration system ensures a dust-free cleanup, while the one-touch dust release simplifies emptying. The next is number 5. Car electric kettle for travel. This car electric kettle is now available for around $27 with a 7% discount. This 12-volt mini kettle is designed for vehicles and features two modes: a keep warm function, 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, and a boil function. It's compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, making it perfect for cars, trucks, and RVs. With a 400 milliliters capacity, it boils water in 28 to 35 minutes. The upgraded LCD screen with touch controls makes temperature adjustments easy, displaying the real-time temperature. The kettle is made of durable 304 stainless steel and includes a safe flip lid. Ideal for road trips, camping, and commuting, this portable kettle ensures you have hot water whenever you need it. The next is Number 4. Hoder Trunk Organizer. This trunk organizer is now available for around $21 with a 27% discount. This versatile organizer features 3 large compartments, 8 additional pockets, and a 23L detachable cooler bag, offering up to 92L of storage space. The cooler bag is leak-proof, waterproof, and insulated, keeping food and drinks cool or warm. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it's designed to withstand heavy use. Adjustable Velcro strips allow for a customizable size, making it perfect for SUVs or any vehicle. With easy access and great visibility, this organizer keeps your car trunk tidy and efficient. The next is Number 3. Gulwa 3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This jump starter with air compressor is now available for around $69 with a 36% discount. This powerful 3,000 amp jump starter supports 12V vehicles, including engines up to 9.0 L gas and 6.5 L diesel. It can jumpstart even with a low battery by pressing the boost button. The A3 also features a tire inflator with 5 modes: SUV, car, bike, ball, and customizable, and a 150 psi capacity. It inflates a Tesla Model 3/white tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 1 minute. This 7-in-1 device serves as a jump starter, power bank, LED flashlight, and more. It includes 10 safety protections and a smart LED screen for easy operation. Ideal for emergencies and outdoor use, it's built to endure extreme temperatures. The next is Number 2. Rovar 2 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. This dash cam is now available at around $129 with a 13% discount. This advanced dash cam offers dual-channel recording, capturing both the front and rear views simultaneously. The front camera records in 4K 3840x2160p at 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1080p 1920x1080p at 30 fps footage, providing clear video of both directions. With a 150 degrees front and 140 degrees rear wide angle, it ensures comprehensive coverage. Equipped with Sony's Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality, even in low light. The ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows you to download footage up to 20 MB/s to your smartphone and manage the settings through the Rove app. Built-in GPS records real-time speed, compass, and location data on the video. Additionally, the dash cam comes with features like motion detection, G-sensor, emergency video lock, and supports up to 1 TB micro SD cards. A 128 GB micro SD card is included. The next is Number 1. CC Electric Cordless Car Hydraulic Jack. This car hydraulic jack, priced around $48, brings convenience and ease to tire changes. Say goodbye to tangled cords. This cordless jack offers complete freedom, allowing you to lift your car with minimal effort. Its one-button operation can be controlled either remotely or via onboard buttons, giving you flexibility to operate it from a safe distance. Powered by a 4,000 mAh lithium battery, it provides 6 to 8 full lifts per charge and can be fully recharged in just 100 minutes. The jack lifts your car in just 90 seconds, making it efficient for quick tire changes, whether at home or on the go. With a 5-ton, 11,000 pounds capacity and a June 1, 2017 7-inch lifting range, it fits sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Weighing just 17.4 pounds, it's portable and easy to store, making it a must-have for travelers and roadside emergencies. The next is